Hello, welcome back to Jewish Stories for Kids on KabbalahWisdom.org. I'm so happy that you're here watching. This story, it's quite a famous story, but I'll say it anyway, because it's a very, very important story. It's the story of Avrohom Avinu. Avrohom Avinu was a little boy, Abraham, the first Jew, and the whole world then thought that idols were in charge. They thought the sun was an idol and the moon, and they thought that all these different idols had wars with each other. That's why there's thunder and lightning. And Avrohom Avinu was very, very smart. And he went outside into the nature like we are, and he thought, who is God? Who is running this thing? Because if the sun comes up in the morning, somebody must make it come up. It can't come up by itself. If the moon comes up, someone must make the moon come up. If a tree grows, well, a tree can't grow by itself. Somebody must make it grow. So he realized that, hey, if the sun comes up and then goes down and then the moon comes up and everything is working together, there must be one brain which figured it all out, because these are all different things. And you can't have many different things. Like if you have pieces of a puzzle, if they're individual, you can say they're separate things, but if one person takes all the pieces of the puzzle and puts it together, then it means there's one person that put it together. And so, think about how many different things have to be for you and I to be alive. I'll give you an example. Right here, for me to stand here talking to you, I can tell you a couple of things. There has to be air for me to breathe. That means God made oxygen. But where does the oxygen come from? Well, it comes from the trees. Because the trees, they breathe in carbon dioxide and they exhale oxygen. And look what God did. I breathe in and you breathe in oxygen, and I exhale carbon dioxide. So we work together. So because of me, the trees can breathe, and because of the trees, I can breathe. And then there's water. Without water, I'm 90% water. Most of the things in this world that are alive are mostly made of water. So God takes that water. Then there's ground. Without ground, the food comes from the ground. We're also made up of food, things from the ground. Without the ground, we couldn't eat. There's sunlight. Without the sun, I couldn't see where I'm going. And then if the sun didn't go down, I wouldn't get tired. I wouldn't be able to go to sleep and feel better. So you see, just from looking around, you can see thousands and tens of thousands, millions of miracles, and all these miracles. And scientists who study this say that everything in this world is a miracle, and there's one idea, one brain, God, who puts all these miracles together because he loves you so much, and he just wants you to find the truth like Avrohom Avinu, and then teach others the truth and live happily ever after. Thank you for watching.